Meet VGO, your body on wheels. VGO is a new generation communication robot that let people work even if they're thousands of miles away from their workplace through telepresence. It was introduced in the UAE by Amana Healthcare, which runs medical and rehabilitation hospitals in Al Ain and Abu Dhabi. Patient monitoring is one of many ways VGO is being used by healthcare organizations to overcome resource issues. Remote visiting for the growing elder care market, and medical staff training at a distance are other popular applications.
There's a lot of different things that we will be able to use VGO for here in Amana. For example, a lot of our patients, adults and pediatrics, have got long-term debilitative diseases. They're not as mobile or as active as they would like to be. Sometimes the families are based in Dubai or in Abu Dhabi and they can't always be here on the facility. So we can give those families access to VGO so that if you've got something important that they want to discuss.
Standing 5 feet tall and 13 inches wide, the little fellow works on Wi-Fi and broadband networks and has a high-resolution camera. It is basically a sophisticated communication machine that allows people to move around in a workplace even if they're in a distant location. Medical professionals can therefore work with patients from around the world, lowering costs. It also provides an emotional anchor to family members who are able to be with their loved ones admitted to a faraway hospital. It is the next best thing to being in the actual workplace.
It also allows us to interact with physicians with international specialties. So, we've got patients who've got degenerative diseases that are quite unique to the region, and we can link in with specialties across the whole world. All we need to do is give them access to our VGO robot. They download the program, log on to VGO, and we can communicate with them in real time about how to interact with and manage these patients. And the other thing that it will allow us to do is we're going across the spectrum of subacute care, long-term care and into home care. So if we've got patients who are in a home care setting and they have a concern about the care that they're receiving, they can link into us either through our VGO robot here to communicate to us, or we can have a VGO robot in their home and we can interact with them in real time regarding concerns that they have. So you can do amazing things like review medications, review wounds, etc., etc. Rather than having to send somebody to the facility, you can do it immediately if the family so wish.
VGO has not only enhanced patient-doctor interface, but is expected to be the future mode of communication in medical facilities, providing instant connectivity with medical professionals globally and helping manage hospitals better. Irish Eden Bilyeza for Gulf News.